Welcome. In front of me is a WIEPPO S5, and today I will show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, simply pull down the notification panel, extend it, and you should see your battery right over here. And to enable it, tap on the battery. And then you have the battery saver check mark, check it on, and we're done. The battery is now in power saving mode. Click on done, and that's it. Now as you can see in this mode, your status bar becomes reddish and the battery has a plus on it, which is barely visible because there's still like half of it, so about half of that plus sign is visible. But as you also see, the brightness of the device dropped a little bit, and there's also a couple different things happening in the background, for instance like the data and mobile data and Wi-Fi being disconnected when the device goes to sleep. So whenever you lock it, after about a minute or so, it will just kind of disconnect to preserve the battery, and that will result in you receiving notifications less frequently, or more precisely whenever you interact with the device. So whenever you do that, the device will reconnect and basically then sync all the data that was not sent to you. So that's how you would enable it, and once you're done with it, simply tap on it again and check this off, and we're back to normal mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.